Every passing day we are seeing some new pictures, videos and new camera sample of S23 Ultra, and this time we have a lot to say about the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The zoom videos and night shots are even confirmed by exynos. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, as per the guy who unboxed Galaxy S23 Ultra shared camera samples of the S23 Ultra. The new camera samples are great. Now here are the two samples, one is shot with the 10x and the other one is at 30x, where a 30x zoom picture was shot on 200 megapixel camera. As per exynos, even we are not getting more pixels on the 10x zoom, still this 10x zoom shot is better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And as per exynos, S23 Ultra new HP2 sensor is one of the most strongest and most balanced main camera sensor on any mobile phone. So that could be the reason for one of the best looking shots on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments what matters for you in the S23 Ultra, cameras or battery life. The new shots on the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks absolutely stunning, as the night photography is improved a lot on the S23 Ultra, and these are the new samples of the S23 Ultra camera, and believe me, the night shots are much improved, even taking the well-balanced images. Here are some of the samples he shared before, where we get 1x shot, 3x shot, 10x shot and 30x shot. Now all are well balanced shots on the S23 Ultra, and even this is not the final software optimization of the S23 Ultra. There's still one pending update that we are going to see on the S23 Ultra cameras. You guys might know that S23 Ultra selfie shooter is getting a downgrade from 40 megapixel to 12 megapixel, but when you guys will going to see the results, you guys will be happy. As per Edward, who shares the previous sample, shares the selfie shooter result, and he compared this sample with the Pixel 7 Pro, and look how better it performs. On the left we have the S23 Ultra and on the right we have the Pixel 7 Pro. The colors are well exposed and the image is not washed out, where we see more bright image on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, this new 12 megapixel shooter is capable of 4K 60 FPS. The pre-order deals on the S23 Ultra are great, and as per rumors, we are going to see the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 and Watch 5 along with the S23 Ultra, as S23 Ultra is going to launch on the 1st of Feb. If you guys want to see the unboxing video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.